So Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is now out. That rotating bezel is back, but make sure you know about these things before trying out this Galaxy Watch. Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic are using a brand new strap mechanism. So all Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and Watch 7 straps cannot be used with this Galaxy Watch. Also, you cannot use Galaxy Watch Ultra straps with this smartwatch. If you already have a Galaxy Watch and you are thinking to try out the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, then you need to buy all those straps again. But the good news here is that Galaxy Watch 8 Classic 46mm strap will be compatible with Watch 8 44mm model. Also, the strap they are giving with Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is not a genuine leather strap. It's silicone on the inside with a layer of leather on the outside. Second thing that you should keep in mind is that Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, despite being so bulky and bigger, still has a smaller display than Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm. 8 Classic has a 1.3-inch display, while Galaxy Watch 6 has a 1.5-inch display. That's a little downside of this smartwatch. There's only one size option and that too has a 1.3-inch display. Number 4 is battery. Despite having a more powerful processor, this Galaxy Watch Classic has 445 mAh battery. That's just 20 mAh more than Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. While on Galaxy Watch Ultra, the battery size is 590 mAh. So this isn't going to be a 2-day battery life smartwatch. You might have to charge it every day. Finally, One UI 8 is coming to all Wear OS Galaxy smartwatches from Galaxy Watch 4 to Galaxy Watch 7. That is a really good news. This is going to be last big update for Galaxy Watch 4. Galaxy Watch Ultra with One UI 8 beta is giving some amazing battery life, so just wait for this update and your existing Galaxy Watch will perform absolutely fine. There are some other features like antioxidant and sleep coach. They will be limited to Galaxy Watch 8 series first, but I think they will not matter a lot to many users out there. What are your thoughts on this Galaxy Watch? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.